And up here on the second floor. Decided to give a pause and let you know we're still draining. You can see down there. I don't know if you can see that. Water's still coming out of the hose, the green hose there. So hopefully it's just about out now. Yeah, the water's out. Have it unhooked here. They must have had this really tight because the top piece came out of there, out of this here. Let's see, this one here. So that must have been really tight. Yeah, so that's probably going to be no good. Also, the coat is unhooked there. Have the blow off on there, and have that unhooked there. This here. Okay, that's unhooked. And the cold water is finally unhooked there. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, that's going to be interesting too. Put the 45s on it. See if I can straighten that out. And see, it's kind of, yeah, it's not quite, but it's almost there. It's almost there. So got my fittings all set up here. Female, copper female, 3/4, 3/4 90. Actually about 3 of those. Depends on how I want to do it. Once I get it out. I'm sorry about that. And it's here. Smell adapter by PEX, or IPS by PEX adapter here. Of course, another female 45. I might put that on that that relief valve there. But other than that, we're going good. Just wanted to give you all a stop and there's the water heater there. Getting ready to open that up soon. And there's a pan. A little bit of broom there. Okay, so also this is the kitchen I'm walking into now. There's the drain line there. And the 2 waters. So that's yet to come as well. Also, the gas is down in there. Right there. Had to turn that off. I got it off, so it's unhooked. But probably be better to do that with a basin wrench. Channel locks are pretty big to go in there. Anyway, this is the sink here. Toilet. So I might be bad at this, doing it at a selfie style, but bear with me here. There's the other sink. And then there's, let me get a little light. And that's the toilet there. And of course the shower here. Okay, so that has to be done. I had a little time letting that water heater drain. That I had a little bit of time, so I decided to do this video. But okay, it's almost ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and get back at it. See if I can't get this thing out and get this one finished out. I'll just go as far as I could. Yeah, there's not much movement over where I am. It's a Monday morning, second day of the week. All praises, everything is going well. All praises to the Most High. I don't know if we can get a view of that. Let's see if we can get a view. Here in the Whistling, but two cars out here, but no hustle and bustle of trades here or construction on this part here. So pretty easy Monday, you know. Not much. We've already pressed through. And did a lot of water heaters so far. I think it's like, well, I'll get the numbers here in a little bit, but we've been rolling on them. We are short-handed. The other trades have a lot of mechanics and people to carry out the work. We're short-handed. And even more people that actually know what's going on. I mean, as far as know how to do it. But the Most High has been blessing it for it to go pretty smoothly. And thank Him for that. And if it's His will, then this will be another one down soon. All praises to Yahweh by Hashem Yahweh Shah. And with that being said, AAC Advantage out. Shalom.